I'm always the dadi of the group, but today I'm very happy to see Madam Shashivani. So there's somebody senior to me. So my pranam to Shashi as a senior woman of this group. Everybody is going to speak on the theme of Women's Day, so I'm not going to elaborate on that. I'm just going to speak my thoughts. In 2016, when HEMA got executive board sanction for the women's wing, we have been relentlessly working, and I can see so many faces as part of that journey, including Chaya. I don't know whether Sangeeta Yadav has joined, and we were so happy that we were able to hand over this baton at Nasik to Sangeeta Bafna, to Elizabeth, to Asha Benakappa, to Madhu Rathori, and a new era has begun. And always the second generation surpasses the first generation, and we are so happy to see all of them doing beautifully. Men can never understand this networking which women have. You know, this connectedness and the energy which women draw from each other. Each woman has a very close circle of friends, whether it's her sister, her cousin, her close friend, where she can be herself. She can speak what she is without pretense, and the other woman understands her completely, and she gets all the empathy, all the advice, and all the things which are needed. And I think that's what makes women more resilient and going, because they have catharsis to someone where they don't have to pretend to be somebody else. Whereas sometimes I feel sorry for the men. They have to put up a brave front. They never really trust anybody to tell their innermost thoughts, and they have to be politically correct most of the time. And we are very blessed that women can have these connections and women can maintain these connections, and that is how I think a woman holds a family together, a woman holds a society together, a woman holds the community together. And in spite of my health problems, whenever I can, वो कहते हैं ना बुलावा आता है माता का बुलावा. I mean, not in the same light. I'm not trying to make light of God, but whenever Hema Bindu or Anuradha or Sangeeta call me, I really get energized. And whatever be my health issues, I still feel like coming because I meet all of you, and I think that's like getting a shot booster tonic in my arm, and I feel better so much afterwards. And yeah, Narmada, I forgot, she's been a part of Journey from 2016. Yes. And Neelam Verma, all of them were there that time. So I won't take too much time. Thank you, everybody. And once again, seeing another woman after 26 years at the helm of affairs. Neelam, my salam to you. And I look forward to you doing something krantikarak in 2026 when you take over as president. Thank you.